Hey everybody, in this week's market update in a minute, let's reflect on what happened last week. In the broad economic news, more new jobs than forecasted were created in December. However, wage growth was lower than expected, so is helping the mortgage rates. Inflation continued to slow in December, signaling prices have peaked and giving markets hope the Fed will slow the pace of interest rate hikes. Now, weakening demand in December led to the first services industry contraction in more than 2.5 years, signaling a slowing economy, which is actually good for mortgage rates. For your economic housing news, mortgage applications rose 1.2% last week over the previous week, although purchase applications were down 1% on the week. National Association Realtors Director of Forecasting predicts mortgage rates will likely settle below 6% and experience less volatility this year. In December, 21% of survey respondents told Fannie Mae now is a good time to buy a home, up from 16% in November. Now, here's your quote for the week. It's from Charles Swindoll. Life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. Hope you have a great and blessed week.